So what a week it's been so far.
At the T-junction, right turn.
Thank you, SatNav. I'm going left. I'm going road. But yeah, what an interesting week. So this has been my first week off, full week off for about 4 years. And about 5 years since it's been my first. Oh, come on, SatNav.
In 200 yards, right turn ahead.
This SatNav is irritating, as you're aware already. Oh, and I'm just going to let every single car go past, am I? Looks like it. So yeah, it's been my first full week off with my wife for about 5 years, and thankfully that's gone really well. You know, I think we're probably, you could argue, it's just over halfway as it's Thursday. But yeah, we've been out a lot. We've driven around a lot, and it's been really lovely. However, on more car-related notes, on a more car-related note, we've. I say we've. What am I saying we've for? I've dropped off the Accord with one of the Dave mechanics, and that was to get my coilovers put on, my rear camber arms, my new drive shafts, and yeah, you know, I was being lazy. Ed and I probably could have done it, but I'd rather pay for a professional to make sure it's done correctly, especially with the elements of bad luck I've had with the Accord recently. In fact, since I owned it, I've had a bit of bad luck.
If it's possible.
Yeah, I'm not making a U-turn. Shut up, SatNav. Allow me to go where I want to go. So yeah, I dropped the Accord off, and it looks amazing. I haven't got many good pictures of it at the moment because it really does need a wash, but it does look fantastic. The yellow speed racing coilovers look wicked. The stance is far more, well, aesthetically it looks a lot better.
U-turn if it's possible.
Oh, this is driving me mad. But yeah, the stance looks excellent, which is great. But it also, you know, I haven't had it aligned yet. You know, I've only driven it back from Dave the mechanics, and it already feels more planted, a bit stiffer. It looks and feels great, and it'll look even better when I've got it properly aligned and you know, had everything done to make it, you know, get geometry done, all that sort of stuff to get it sorted. One thing that I wanted to do this week, and it was on the same day as I picked up the Accord after Dave had worked on it, was film with Ed. Haven't been able to, because we started to do a video involving the Prelude and or Prelude, who cares? I'm gonna say Prelude, and that's just gonna stick. But we were trying to film a video on that, and then realised that even though there was a plan, Ed hadn't realised that there were certain things that needed to be done and things that he needed to have, so we had to kind of give up on that. So I'm going to kill two birds with one stone today. I've got to go up and see Dale. All the rusty things in the back of the car, so lower control arms and hubs. Dale, I'm dropping off to Dale so he can get them sandblasted, powder coated, you know, finished basically with new
next exit
bushings in. God, the SatNav is really off-putting. I know where I'm going at the moment as well, it's just really annoying. So yeah, they're gonna have new bushings put in them. I've got my roll center adjusters, which are essentially lengthened ball joints. I've got those to go in them, so I'm going to leave them with Dale as well. I'm picking up something that I bought from Dale that I was going to put on the Accord, but in fact I'm going to sell it to Ed so he can put it on the Prelude, because hopefully he'll keep it longer than every other car that he's had in in the time that I've known him. So yeah, I'm off up to Dale's on a mission. That's why I've got the stuff in my back. In my boot. So it's quite early. I'm quite tired, which is probably why this video is a bit of a jarring mess. Like, I keep starting to say stuff, the SatNav puts me off, or just driving is putting me off, so that's good. But I might be able to film a video up at Dale's, because, you know, since I last visited, Dale and Amy have taken on a mission to the next level. You know, set up a proper shop. They've, you know, it's not just about being online. They've got like a showroom for the refurb parts part of the business that they're doing. So that would be wicked to get on camera. But yeah, I'm off up the M5 to Droitwich. So that's 2 and a bit hours.
Take the 3rd exit.
Okay, sat nav. Yeah, it takes 2 and a bit hours. I've left half an hour later than I planned because I need to wash my hair, which is why it looks wet and silky smooth. So yeah. If I can get out of Exeter at some point today, that would be good, wouldn't it?